Hello, my name is Bunkhuoch. I'm from Cambodia. I am now a graduate student at Seoul National University for fall semester 2024, majoring in astronomy. I am here to present my academic achievement, study plan, and my goal of study or goal after the graduation. In my bachelor year of study, I have gone through a lot of things that transformed me from a high school kid to a very well-educated graduate in the field of physics. I have considerably good academic record from my first year of the study, with many good results in various courses. I have been promoted as a class monitor in the second year. I also assisted a lot of things my professor and lecturers wanted me to do. For example, most importantly is the class attendance and forwarding some information regarding the department news to the classmate via the Telegram groups. In my bachelor study, my most favorite subject is being taught in year 4, so I really wish it would have been taught every year or since the first academic year. But that is not the problem. I study it by myself, despite having to spend most of the time maintaining the good performance in the other subject anyway. My favorite subject is astronomy, and most of my amazing achievement comes from the fact that I also take my time doing something like I value. Let me call it extracurricular activity. It is not belonging to academic requirement. I do a lot of astrophotography, like imaging the stars, deep space, deep sky object, planets, galaxy, and yeah, I also DIY my telescope, bought new cameras, do many crazy things that students here don't usually do. From that, I have learned a lot of things about images such as pixel value, RGB value, noise and signals, and how to measure the size in the images, or the size of an object in the images. I study about light, optics, eventually spectroscopy, and finally recently I just studied coding. Try to get as much information from the image I took, and I apply all of these to the other thing as well, especially trying to get object dimension by using its images enables me to do a lot of experimental activities that are not required academically, and all of that shaped me who I am and paved the way for me to apply into this astronomy major in Seoul National University. So for the study part, I'm particularly fascinated in the field of extragalactic astronomy on the subject recommended by my prospective professor, which is a map which is mapping the distribution of the dark matter, which involves the application of the AI to do tons of large data processing and analysis. At first I found that is hard, but after reading this paper I'm hooked, and I would like to study more in this field by reading more papers and trying to fully understand. Hopefully I will be able to do research project with that. I am aiming to spend most of my time doing this further reading and developing my idea and creativity. I also hope to register for the courses that are relevant to this subject of study. Hopefully I will be able to accomplish this objective, and one of the most important thing, I will not forget to mention this, which is I will try my best as hard as I can to maintain a good academic record. So after I finish my academic life in SNU in Korea, after everything is fulfilled, I will return back to my country and start to build my career path as a researcher in astronomy, especially in the field of extragalactic astronomy and observational cosmology, by doing various research projects if there is. I would also apply to teaching position to local university if there is, especially in the physics and astronomy related subject. I also plan to write books that are introduction to astronomy, which the target reader are kids and high school students, since astronomy is not very widely popular in here. So that might inspire them to pursue this field of study in the university when they graduate to university. One thing that I might want to do is to expand my field of interest with the knowledge of AI or coding or whatever I have. From here I will plan to apply it in many other fields of interest that I might have in the future career, and I want to develop my career further. I hope to be a very helpful human resource that can help my country in solving problems that require best solution. So this is all of my video. Thank you.